Hi everyone. So I just wanted to touch base and give you a little bit of an update because I talked to a group member today. So when this all started, it started with an aerial view on Google Maps of New-Indy, just to kind of see, what it was, what we were dealing with. And my number one concern after looking at that was always the water. I know, the air is stinky, but we all know it goes in the water, and they knew it was going to increase. And back when we were all complaining about our water smelling and there was actually an employee that was trying to deter me from looking into that. So, we know when employees want to, say something and deter us from looking into something that, we know we need to look harder. So, I've been working with a group member for several months. That's why we haven't done the water testing. We kind of wanted to see what DHEC and the Catawba River keepers were doing with their test. I've since found the dioxin reports, the most recent ones that they've done at New-Indy, and sent it over to him. He's talked with his experts. And we touched base this morning, and we do feel that we need some water testing just because everything wasn't in the DHEC one that we feel should have been in there. And then we talked about, I mentioned today on just a comment about joining some of the other coalitions. There's some larger ones in North and South Carolina, so he's actually been working on that too, and he had all sorts of good ideas. So we're gonna raise funds for the water testing. Everybody, is worried about the air because they smell it. And nobody's really focusing on the water, and we know that there's dioxins in these lagoons, and Sludge Lagoon 4 is right next to the Catawba River, and it's not lined. So, we talked about that, and we feel that it's really kind of necessary. So, I'm going to now get pricing. It's probably going to take a week or two because I got to find an out-of-state company. And then we're going to have to try and raise some funds for that. And that's kind of the point of trying to join these other coalitions too, just so we can do more crowdfunding and things like that, because, we're only 4,000 people, and it's not fair for the same people to have to keep donating over and over. So I will find out how much it will cost, because I'm going to send him a list of all the contaminants, and he's going to pick out the ones that we really need to test for, just so we're not spending a ton of money. And then we will go from there. But I just wanted to touch base on, the water is still at least my number one main concern. It's not just the air. So, all right, guys, just wanted to give you an update on that. It's in the works, and I will let you know.